Hi everybody, Mike Cuevas with Short Sales Redefined. Thanks for all the questions we've been receiving. There's been quite a bit. We're going to do something we never did before. I know you just read the copy, but this is going to be super cool. I'm excited about it. We have 3 realtors and 1 investor, and they're going to just ask us these live questions online. One of the best ways I learned was through a situational analysis, I guess. So anytime you hear a certain deal, you can sort of relate to that situation, and that's exactly what we're going to do. I don't have any idea what questions are going to come on the call, but please, I want them to be stumped. I want you to stump me. I want to hear the most difficult questions you could possibly think of, because it's a short sale, every deal is always different, and there'll be a number of answers to one specific question. So I'm going to do the very best that I can answer them for you. It's going to be very, very cool. It's going to be very interactive, and you want to catch this call. I will warn you, do register 10 minutes ahead of time, because if you do not, we're only limited to 1,000 attendees. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to fit everybody on this call, but if you don't make this one, hopefully we'll do another one. This is something we never did before. Stay tuned to all the free info, all the stuff that we have coming up. It's awesome, and definitely check out this boot camp. We'll be announcing that, especially the surprise guest speaker that will also be attending this as something that no one wants to miss. So check it out, log on, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Thanks. Bye.